Hello, welcome back. Let us work on transposition of formula, and today we are going to make G the subject of this formula. We need to make G in terms of L, pi, and T. The first thing, we are going to square both sides, that is T squared. This is equal to 2 pi square root of L over G. This is square, that is T square is equal to 2 pi square root of L over G. This is also square. T square, this is equal to 4 pi square root and square root cancel, and we are going to remain with L over G. T square is equal to 4 pi square L over G. I'm going to make T square as a fraction, so I'll put as over 1, and then I'm going to cross and multiply. G multiplied by T square, this is equal to 1 multiplied by 4 pi square L. Since we want to make G the subject, we are going to divide by T square both sides. I'll divide by T square. I'll divide by T square. T square and T square I can cancel. I'm going to remain with G. This is equal to 4 pi square L over T square. Already we make G in terms of pi, L, and T, that is, we make G the subject of the formula. I hope you understand this question. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.